Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mohamed talking about the positions of the letter Dal. Dal could come in the beginning and at the end with the same shape. It only shakes hand or connects from the right, not the left side. From the right side, not from the left side. Let's see. Dal, dub. دال أسد دال قرد. See, دب أسد قرد. The dal, it takes the same shape in the beginning, at the end as not connected. It only connects from the right side, not from the left side. It also applies on the next letter, which you'll see inshallah in the next episode.